guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is just a day in the life snowstorm. The boys are heading out to our neighbor's house here to help shovel them out. This is their second time going. On this day, I think we got upwards to about 10 inches, which we usually get a big storm like that at least once, maybe twice a year. And it seems to be always happening in February. This is like a week before my son's 12th birthday, and last year, actually on his birthday, him and his buddy went around shoveling everybody out because we got a bunch of snow. But in today's video, guys, it's just going to be a come along with me, what I'm doing during a snowstorm, and yeah, I've got some stuff from Amazon to share with you, and whatever else is going to happen. So let's get on with this video, guys. So I just got these microfiber cloths from Amazon. I will link these below, you guys. I bought these. I seen these from, I can't remember her channel, but I got these. A fellow YouTuber had these, and I absolutely fell in love with them because there's a dark gray, a lighter gray, a medium gray, and then like a lighter gray, and then a white, which that goes perfect with my home decor. So I got these. There's 12 cloths in here. So I have 3 bathrooms. I could totally do one of each color in the bathroom. Because there's three cloths of each. So I can do each one for a bathroom, or I could dedicate one color to a bathroom, and then one for each bathroom and one for the kitchen. I mean, I could totally do that too. But 12 cloths, I think these were like 20 bucks. I will put that in the video of how much these were. And then also, if you guys are interested, I'll put the link below. Amazon, you guys. Amazon.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. And I'm feeling the way I do. Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be through. Only you move me to the rhythm.
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys a quick grocery haul. This is from Kroger. Got me some coffee cake for the coffee and some chocolate donuts for the morning. Cole likes his chocolate donuts. I needed some more canned goods to fill up my nice, neat pantry. So I got some crushed tomatoes and some coffee creamer and some milk. I made bean soup this day, so I didn't have any crushed tomato to put in it, so I had to get that. Onion to go in the soup as well. Some breakfast links because I want to make some breakfast burritos coming up here. And then I've got tortilla shells. Those are like staples in our home. We use them for not just tacos, but breakfast burritos and stuff. Brown sugar because I'm going to need this for some baking. Some flour. Some croutons. Got to have some croutons with the salad. And then these are those, they're like little kitty treat sticks. My cats love them. And then we have Jack's, the Garden Fresh products. I love the Jack salsa and the chips. The seasoned one is our favorite. It has a nice like seasoning to it. But yeah, guys, so that is my shopping haul. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I just needed a few things to fill out the pantry, and I'm making bean soup because I just need it snowing outside. Perfect time for that. Okay, so I added in my onions and my tomatoes. And how I make my bean soup, you guys, is I get the dry beans. I rinse them really, really well. Make sure there's nothing in there. I put 8 cups of water plus the beans. I throw in the meat, my onions, tomatoes, garlic, all that into the pot. And I literally cook it for 8 hours on high. And when that's done, it is done. And I'm making some homemade bread here. And that's what's for dinner tonight. So it's definitely going to be a yummy dinner with this cold day. So I want to give you guys an update on the pantry. It is still in good order. I really, really love it, you guys. everything's pretty much organized. Like all my canned goods are here. I did go and pick up a few more of the pantry edits because I really love these step-down dividers. I'm not sure. I need to look and see if they just come, I can get them by themselves somehow, because I want more for down here. And then eventually we'll put up another shelf, and a lot of this stuff will be kicked up because that's all stuff that I rarely use. I mean, like all the baking stuff, like that's, you know, that stuff, we make cookies and stuff. We don't do a lot of baking all the time. And then this is all like all my candies. I mean, I have a ton of them, but you know, I can always just step up on my step ladder, grab some candy out, and then the silverware, the entertaining stuff. So that's all stuff that, you know, eventually will go up. The spring, I want to get another shelf put up and then finish these shelves. But then I might even kick up another row of canned goods because I like to keep canned goods on hand. I mean, I'm even thinking about creating a storage room in our basement for stuff like this. That's kind of how we had it in our condo. And the reason why we had that in our condo was because you guys seen my old pantry. It was half the depth, less than half of the depth of these shelves, and only literally like this much. It was just like a little walk-in, like a little closet, kind of, sorta. I mean, you probably could have hung coats in it if you just put hooks up and you hung. That I will still need to figure out, but my main concern was getting all this organized, and I absolutely love it. Everything is working well. I've since added like cake mixes and stuff because my son's birthday is coming up. And you guys, he's going to be 12. I cannot believe my guy is going to be 12. But he's going to, so he'll be definitely a preteen. We're already experiencing like the voice change. Like when people say, oh, it happens over, if they feel like it happens overnight, I seriously don't feel like it happened overnight. Oh God, guys, it was so funny. Like my sister-in-law, I was talking to her on the phone and my son said, hi, Aunt Melissa. And she was like, was that Cole? I was like, yeah. She's like, no, it wasn't. I said, yes, that was him. She's like, when the heck did that happen? Oh, I was like, oh, yes. I'll never forget when he came down the stairs. Well, like in the condo, I used to say all the time, like when he'd come down the stairs, because the living room's right there. So when he'd come down the stairs, you see him come down the stairs, and you swear every day the kid grew an inch, if not more. And you're like, I know you went to bed shorter, and now you're waking up much taller. But yeah, so anyways, get off my little, you know, reminiscing. And Mom, you guys know, moms, dads, you know, that this time of their life goes by so fast. The childhood, the young stage, like you think about it, you know, 18 technically, you know, you're an adult. 18 years of life, that's it. You know, less than that as a child. You know, in today's society, people want their kids to be older than they really are. I mean, and that's just kind of how society push it. I strive not to do that. So, you know, my kid's 12, and like he reminds me of a 12-year-old kind of would be when I was growing up. Maybe a little bit older, you know, but not like, you know, you got 12 going on 16 type of thing. So, and he is a boy, so I know that is different with girls. But anyways, back to the pantry. So yeah, so it is definitely holding up well. Like I said, I've added things since. So, you know, I wanted to make it so it's livable, so we could add things if we need to. So I try to categorize things like breakfast stuff. We really don't have like a lot of breakfast options usually. Usually it's like an oatmeal or even maybe a cereal. So like when we get cereal, I have one more of these. I don't know where I'm going to put it though. That's the problem. Like I only have room for one more there, and then the problem will be alleviated once we get the other shelf up, because then I could put, you know, these right here. You know, I'll have room all the way across where I could do, you know, whatever. So, but yeah, it's working great. I love it, love it, love it. And I actually did other areas of the home, which you'll see that in up and coming videos. I did that all when I was like sick, but right before I got sick, I started doing the pantry. And then, like, literally that night that I was doing the pantry, my throat really started hurting and I was not feeling well. And I knew the next morning, I'm like, I've got strep throat. And I haven't been sick, you guys, like that. Well, we had COVID in 2020. But other than that, we have not been sick. And, you know, we go out in the world and all that kind of stuff. So I was shocked that I got the strep throat because I literally hadn't gone anywhere for like a week and a half. I mean, I literally didn't go anywhere for a week and a half. So, you know, it must have been brought into the house or something. But anyways, I'm feeling better. My voice still is a little bit harsh, you could say, because I'm better. I've been on antibiotics. I've gone through all those. You know, I'm better than I was, but I still it's still a little bit in my chest. So every now and then, if you hear me kind of like drink of water while I'm doing a voiceover, all that kind of stuff, that's just because I need to replenish myself. But yeah, so there's a few days when I was sick, because like literally, you know, the best thing when you're sick is to like do nothing and relax and take naps and fluids and all that kind of stuff. I really struggle with that as a person. I can't, like, I can be super sick and I could see the house starting to like dishes build up, whatever, and my husband and my son did a great job like keeping up on that stuff. But it's the daily stuff that I know that I do, like the vacuuming every day, and not just vacuuming, anybody can vacuum, but the way I vacuum and the way I wipe things down, you know, it's just someone could come in and do that for me, but I'm still gonna be like, I need to do it because one, it's just what I do, and two, and like nobody cleans like me. Like nobody cleans like they clean their own house. So, okay guys, so that's a wrap, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.